Take a look at the hot plate on this coffee maker. I'm going to clean this up with some Scotch-Brite and some dish soap. This gets off the rust and old coffee, preparing and smoothing the surface for paint. After wiping it off, I use some rubbing alcohol to remove the soap film. Here I'll speed things up for you as I mask off the hot plate for paint. Okay, now that I've got it all masked off, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with this high heat Rust-Oleum. Let you take a look at it here. Keep the glare out. But this high heat Rust-Oleum black paint is it's an enamel paint that is for grills and wood stoves, and it resists heat up to 1200 degrees. So that'll be plenty good for this hot plate on my Mr. Coffee machine. First thing I like to do is a test spray. So I'm going to get a little test spray on some of this newspaper here. That's spraying pretty good. I'm going to give it a couple of coats, so it's already looking really great. Okay, we'll let that dry. I'll give it another coat. Okay, it's been about a half hour, and the instructions say that you need to give it 2 or 3 light coats within the first hour, or else you need to wait 48 hours. So it's been about a half hour, and I'm going to go ahead and give it another light coat. It looks like it's good enough to me, and it really is a flat black. I like that. Says it'll dry to touch within a half hour, and you can apply heat after 1 hour. So there you have it. I'll let that dry. I'll take off the masking that I put on there, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, if your coffee pot gets stained like this, I don't know if you can see the dark stained coffee surface, coffee on the glass there, but it's inside. And if you use some of this glass countertop cooktop cleaner, there's different brands out there. You don't have to use this brand, but I'm going to use some of that in a shop towel. Doesn't take much. It's kind of like a polishing compound. Take off that. We'll get down inside of here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and speed things up here. And part way through, I'm going to go ahead and I'll end up showing you the dark stains, coffee stains on the rag. And there it was. So this is working pretty good. Okay, I'll rinse it off. And we'll let you take a look at it. There you can see how nice that looks. And I wished I would have taken a before picture so you could see a before and after. But there it is, all sparkly clean, just like brand new.
And here's a look at the finished product. Doesn't that look a lot better?
Thank you for coming to the corner today and checking out my video. Check out some more of my videos, please. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace!